What does the duck say?
Ba, 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 ba.
What does the bear say? What about the elephant? Baby? What about a baby? Yeah, there was a baby out there. You're right. What does the dog say? What about a kitty cat?
Wow.
Very good.
What about a donkey?
You.
Eeyaw, eeyaw. Tiger.
Lion? Lion? What does a lion say?
Where's Cooper's nose? You almost fell.
Where's your tongue?
Cooper's tongue.
Where's your nose? Yeah. Where's your ear? Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes?
He's waiting for me to give him another treat.
Oh.
I guess you answered a lot of questions correctly, so you get a treat. Want to bite a little corner off? What is this, like teaching a dog a trick, huh?
Oh, well.
What did he just throw?
The treat.
Oh.
Now I see there's another one on the ground too.
Oh, you're not eating? You're going to step on them in your socks now?
There's two on the ground.
Little fruit roll-ups. They're great with carpet. Say bye to the fruit roll-ups.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Ba, 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 ba.
Where's that duck?
Here, climb up.
Frog.
Are you swearing?
That took a little work, huh? Oh, don't stand up. That's a bad idea.
Is this going to end well? Ba, 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 ba.
Son of a boy. Careful. Where's that duck? Where is it?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Backwards is not a good plan, kiddo. Backwards is not a good plan.